hair probably when I was a senior in high school, but I grew up in the hair business. So both grandmothers, a cousin and an aunt, do hair. So I grew up in the salon and I used to hate it. And I think more so because that was like the punishment. You know, you get in trouble, you go to the salon, you have to sweep up hair. But it was not until like my senior year of high school when I actually decided to go to cosmetology school. So my family was like, okay, do it. And I always remember my grandmother, she was like, if you're gonna do hair, go all the way with it. I have moments where I'm like, okay, I did that. Like, I love that one, I did that. But I think I'm always gonna be learning and growing. So I don't ever feel like I'm gonna be at this moment of where like, oh, I perfected it. Because I feel like anytime where I feel like I've done something really well, I'm like, okay, how do I challenge myself to get to the next level? So I'm always going to be striving to get to the next goal. I'm never at that, well, at least I haven't felt that moment of where I'm like, oh, she's perfected, she good, she don't need to do nothing else. I'm gonna always feel like I need to do a little bit more. I was walking into work and I got the call and it was so funny. They were like, do you have a moment? I'm like, yeah, sure, no big deal. And they were like, so you remember that shoot we were talking about? And it's not a for sure yet, but we're working on it. And I was like, okay. And then they were like, Venus Williams. And I had to like take a grasp of air. And I was like, let me sit down for a minute. I was so excited. I have a group chat with my mom and my sister, and I immediately told them, and they were like, yes, you have to do it. Like, whatever you're doing, stop whatever you're doing, you have to do it. And we grew up watching them. Like, Venus opened us up to tennis. That was a sport that we knew about, but we really didn't know about it. And then it became to be like a thing. They made sports fashion. Like, now we were all walking around in tennis skirts. Like, that was a thing. I bought a couple of them because it was like they had it on, so I wanted to have it on. So it's such a great moment to like be a part of that with her. I've been with the Schwarzkopf team now for 2 years, and 2 years ago, I had no idea that I would be sitting here doing Venus's hair. So to do her hair, and for her to love it, and not just love one of the looks, but both of the looks, and then for her to be like, oh no, I'm keeping it. And I wanna know let me know how to create it. And then she's like, I'm gonna tell my sisters. Like, she's like, I'm gonna let them know. Girl, call me. Like, yes, like that it made me so happy and excited to know that I gave her a new look. So by the time we were able to turn her around to the mirror, you see the smile. That is the moment that we all are waiting for. Yeah, we know the hair looks amazing, but we want to see that look in their eyes that they love it too.